Welcome to Quiniela Popular. We're excited for a new World Cup season. With Quiniela Popular, you'll be able to predict the score of all 104 World Cup matches, all the way from the group stage to the final. In this video, we'll show you around and give you a tour of what exactly Quiniela Popular is. Let's get started. Once you join Quiniela Popular, you'll be provided with your own unique URL, as you can see in the navigation bar. This unique URL is basically your username and your password. You're responsible for not sharing this URL. Anyone with access to this URL will be able to make changes to your predictions. From your My Predictions tab, you will have to fill out the prediction for each one of the games you'll encounter. As you can see, you'll have a table that updates automatically as you enter your predictions, and a bar that shows you how many games you have filled and how many total. Once you fill some of your predictions, you have to click on Save Predictions. Here's an example quiniela completely filled out. In the case of a tie, Quiniela Popular automatically determines the order based on the tiebreaker rules that are official from FIFA. In the case where the first set of tiebreakers related to goal differential cannot determine the order of your standings, you'll be presented with a warning icon, which means that you're able to select the order that you think will be the correct one. This is also true for the third place ranking table, where the top 8 third places will qualify to the knockout round. In the knockout stage, you must also select who goes through in penalties if you decide that the match ends in a tie. As the Quiniela admins add real-time results to the system, you will start to see all the accumulated points that you have, including the categories that you have scored for. You will also encounter a what-if simulator that would allow you to add hypothetical scores and simulate to check how your Quiniela would accumulate points if these were to become reality. As you could expect, there's a leaderboard tab where you can see the current rankings based on the most up-to-date scores. In the scoring rules tab, you can also see each specific category that your Quiniela can score points for. The weights of these categories can change, so please review them by the time you check your Quiniela. Another cool feature that will be available to you only once the predictions are locked in and the World Cup starts is a bracket section where you can check, of course, your bracket, all your predictions, and see everyone else's predictions as well, including a bracket view for the knockout stage. And you can also compare how your predictions stack against other people in the Quiniela. You will also have access to the results tab where you can check real life scores as the admins enter into the system. On top of that, as you've probably already seen, there's a today's game section at the top of the page where you can see today's games, scores as they're added when they happen, and your predictions. These are just some of the features available for Quiniela Popular. We'll continue to add more as the World Cup comes closer. We suggest you complete your Quiniela through a computer in order to have optimal experience, but it's also available on your phone. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you.